friends, welcome back to another video. Once again, this is your friend Vikas Roy and you are watching Crypto Village India. Friends, as I always, promise that if I get something unique, I will like just keeping my promise. Here I have got one new project, that is Polka Cover, which is newly listed on here on CoinGecko, and this is new project actually, and this project looks quite impressive to me. Let's take a quick review and why do I like this Polka Cover. So actually, first of all, let's find out the current price. It has already pumped almost 118%. The current price is $0.6, and it has quite fabulous, you can say, the volume as well. It's 1.5 million volume I can see here. And if we talk about the total supply, it is 137 million as per the current, which I can see. There may be some, it may increase, or I cannot find out the correct figure right now. So, and in fact, market cap is still not showing, but as per some other sources, what I found that it is approx 4 million market cap which is covering right now. But still I will try to get some more details. It is only a quick review from here. So let's find out why do I like this Polka Cover. you know uh, the here we can say less than 1% of all DeFi crypto and NFT assets are adequately insured. So we are here to change that. Insurance made. Actually, the best part of this project is, if you talk about anything, there is nothing secure in crypto market. It is it is highly, risk market, and you can get a high reward as well, as we can see in crypto market. But here, if a project is talking about insurance policies, because in crypto or stock market, I don't think that there is any like securities that we can save, especially in crypto market. So the best part of this project is they are talking about some insurance. You see here, the first DeFi insurance marketplace for the global crypto ecosystem. Insurance protection is an integral part of every individual transaction, every financial transaction, and right to the access insurance should be equally easy. So here they are assuring that we want to give the power back to the people by lowering the transactional and administrative cost of insurance policies and coverage, while providing high value with cost effective insurance products for the crypto world. Later on, just you can go through the website and you can read all the details. But why do I like this? Let's find out some more. The best part of this, the our ecosystems partners. So Transact, Ferrum, Hacken, Phantasma Chain, so Polkadot. So they are the best, backing partners. They are involved in this project. And moreover, let's see here, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. They have, what actually they are going to do in their roadmaps. Global crypto protect products by Polka Cover. So I believe there is something quite impressive and unique in this project. And the best part of it is that about the Polka Cover token, one coin, two marketplace, and 11 use cases. So generally there are many projects, they have no use case, and still they are growing 200, 300, 400%. But here they are showing some use cases as well. So this is all about. जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है इस प्रोजेक्ट में कि ये प्रोजेक्ट काफ़ी इम्प्रेसिव है, और ये प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा कर सकता है। जैसा कि करंट प्राइस हम देख पा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा, अभी जो करंट प्राइस है 6.6 सेंट्स, 60 सेंट्स पे ये ट्रेड कर रहा है। और अब तक का जो इसने लो बनाया हुआ है 0.26 सेंट्स, एंड करंट जो है ऑलमोस्ट अभी इस जो भी इसका आज का जो हाई है उसी पे चल रहा है ये। सो मुझे लगता है ये प्रोजेक्ट कम से कम $1.5 से $2 तक ये जाने की कैपेसिटी रख सकता है। बट स्टिल लेट मी क्लियर वन थिंग, इट्स ऑल अबाउट माई prediction only as per my certain quality parameter. So this is none of any financial advice, so please do your research before taking any investment decision. क्योंकि मैं कोई एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, इट्स ऑल अबाउट माई पर्सनल एनालिसिस। सो एक बार आप ज़रूर देखें, जब भी मुझे कुछ अच्छा मिलता है, वेन एवर आई गेट समथिंग यूनिक, आई ट्राई टू make videos or share with my community members. So I hope this project is going to do well. So please, you also check as per your part, and hope you like this project. So please don't forget to put comment in comment box, so that we can get some more ideas, and your feedback will be treated, and it will be really inspirational, and it will give me more confidence to build to make some more videos. So thank you so much, see you in next video, and I hope you will review this project, and let's hope for the best for this project. See you in next video with something unique, and till then, goodbye, great day, take care.